All right, this is Derek Demar with FNL Crypto. We're going to see if we can create a Binance Smart Chain wallet address so that we can get airdrops. So we're going to follow this guy that apparently showed us how to do it, Nathan from Crypto Investing, and I will let you know if I'm successful. So the next step that he is showing us is to get the Binance Chain wallet, which I have, and it's supposedly you add it to Chrome and add extension. And that's what he said to do. So they're checking. It has been added. So apparently I'm going to have it also. I think I want to get Metamask eventually, but that's another video. So far, so good. So after you add the extension, you go up to this little puzzle, you hit extensions, and then you want to pin the Binance Chain wallet and then open it, apparently. And then I'll go from there. So Nathan is saying that we should use existing. So you click on this, you click on the Binance Smart Chain wallet or the chain wallet, you use existing, and then you're going to want to use or import a seed phrase, whatever seed phrase that you used for maybe your Metamask. So what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to do the Metamask first, and then come back and finish this. I hope this doesn't screw up this part. So maybe I will go to a new plus here, and hopefully it doesn't mess me up. And I will set up Metamask, use the same seed phrase for both. That's what he said to do. So now I am adding Metamask to Chrome. I'm doing the same exact thing. I am adding extension. It is going to do it, I hope. It's checking. So we'll wait, pause it. So it did. I'm going to pin the Metamask the same. I'm going to pin it and get started. And I'm going to, I already have a seed phrase. I think I might use an existing seed phrase that I already have so that it's the same. So guess what? I'm going to do that. So I'm going to import my seed phrase and I'm going to copy and paste it here and confirm my password, and hopefully that works. I hope it's the same. I need to set up a password. So I'm going to do all this offline and then make sure it works. So I imported my passphrase, my 12-word passphrase, and I created the Binance Smart Chain Network, apparently. And it looks like I have it, and it looks like I have an account now that I can use specifically for the airdrops, which is what I wanted to do. And I'm going to try it, and I'm going to see what happens. So let's do an airdrop, and then we can use my Binance Smart Chain. In fact, what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to go copy this so that I have my address sitting somewhere. I'll be right back. All right, so hopefully this is the final part. We're doing Kryptonove airdrop, and we've got everything done, including the bottom part. And I put in my supposed Binance Smart Chain wallet address. We're going to see what happens. And you have already participated. Yes, it worked. The fans go wild. Now let's see what happens. We can do this for all of them. And I'm going to give props to that guy. Hold on one second. All right, so that should be everything. Thanks so much to Nathan. I'm not subscribing to him, but I'm going to give him a thumbs up because this looks like it worked. And that is how to get a Binance Smart Chain wallet address and be part of all these airdrops that we were not able to be a part of. Thanks for being a part of FNL Crypto. This is Derek signing out for Chris. Aloha and mahalo.